The rules have changed. The financial plan used to be easy. Our parents' generation would get a guaranteed income for life when they stopped working. They would have an affordable house, and if they had any money left over, they could put their money into a bank and get 5% interest rates. So today that's been blown out the water. So today, perhaps you're scared to invest after seeing the financial crash, the stock market plummeting in recent weeks. Perhaps you don't have the time to understand the complexity of the stock market and try to pick from thousands of different products or different providers. So today, house prices have risen 500% in London since the 1990s. There's a pension cliff edge fast approaching where we don't have enough money to put away for when we stop working. 11.5 million people have less than £100 in investing or savings, and house prices have risen 500% since the 1990s. So today we need to own ourselves first. So the responsibility of managing our money has changed from the company or the government to you, the individual. Today investing is a life skill, and everyone needs to understand this, to understand about investing. This is what this course aims to solve. It aims to reduce your stress and worry around money. It aims to get your time back, where you can spend more time with your family, your friends, or just having more me time. And it aims to save you money from paying expensive advice fees or trying to figuring this out yourself and making lots of costly errors. So I've done this in the past. I've been investing for over 20 years. I was a FTSE 100 gas trader for a FTSE 100 company, and I was also a financial advisor for a FTSE 100 company. So this course will teach you the 5-step method to money mindset, and it teaches the method of the football formation asset allocation, which I've created into a card game. This course aims to be simple, fun and achievable. Sign up today to begin your investing journey.